Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll guide you through how to get 4K quality on CapCut. So, if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's dive right in. First up, start up by opening the CapCut on your PC. Once the CapCut is open, click on the New Project. Now here, click on the Import button. Then, choose your desired video from your computer. Make sure your original footage is of high quality to begin with. This will ensure better results when exporting to 4K. Once your footage is imported, proceed with editing your video as desired. Add effects, transitions, text, and more to enhance your video's appeal. Now, to export the video, click on the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. Before exporting, navigate to the Export settings. Here, ensure that the video resolution is set to 3840x2160 pixels, which is the standard resolution for 4K. Finally, hit the Export button to process your video in 4K resolution. Depending on the length and complexity of your video, this process may take some time. Once the export is complete, you can now enjoy your video in stunning 4K quality. Share it with the world and impress your audience with the clarity and detail of your content. And there you have it. Follow these steps to easily achieve 4K quality in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.